BC. Arnold Rock. Hi, Oppa. Thank you for following, guys. Thank you so much. What time is it? It's past 12. Didn't notice the time. Kaya niyo bang gawin ng ano? Thank you so much. Makan. Hindi ko mabasa noodles eh. Ayan, nakalagay na. Nakalagay na dito sino yung mga 30 minutes sa live ko. Ito more than an hour na ata to sa taas eh. Ito 30 minutes. Wow. Grabe ang loyal nyo na din, be. Nawala na yung mga kausap ko kanina. Nasaan na sila? Nandito pa ba kayo? Hindi ko na kayo may... Wala. Wala. Ngayon, wala. Kaya gumaganito ako eh. Is that your helmet? Yes. It's pink. Mag-time out mo. Ngayon? Hello, host, taga-saan ka po ba? Nagpipanikitsure mo. May pasok pa kami bukas. Oh my God. Parang kasalanan ko. Sige, mga hanggang 12, hanggang 12:25 tayo. Sige. It's pink, I like it. Ayan, medyo maliwanag na ba? Lagyan na lang natin ng ilaw. Shit. Wait. Medyo okay na ba? "24/7 kaya ko singilan." Ano? Sila pa hindi na ako din nilang sa ko anong oras daw ako mag-e-end live kasi may pasok pa sila bukas. Almost 2 stores. Yeah. I've been live for an hour and a half, I guess. I don't know. Don't worry, I'm not a host. I'm just doing this because I'm bored. But I'll be hosting next month. It's okay. Right? No one's sending me, but I have a lot of iba uuwi ng mga asawa nila. Magandang gabi po. Ano ba to? Love you from Indonesia. Hi. Hi from the Philippines. What is this? May kapangalan ka dito, Mew. Gabby. Itong Gabby. Diba sabi ko hanggang 12:25 lang tayo, 1 minute na lang. Gusto mo extend ako ng 5 minutes. Why would I do that? Diba? Naluloko niyo ako. Kaya, why do you have 4K followings, Makan? It's a lot of people right there. Paano ako kiligin? Pero lang nagpapakilig sa akin. I've never reached 1K. I don't know. Paggabi mga 1 ka na nag-live. Gani, no? Yan eh. Ano yan, be? Sige nga, try natin. Paano ba ito paabutin ng 1,000 views? Feel ko hindi siya aabot. Hindi ko pa na-try yan. Na-try ko lang, na-try ko lang one time nung merong siraulong nag-comment. Parang bumayad siya ng mga bots. Tapos ang daming comments kasi Sachi before yung name ko here. Then, you just want me to stand. Tapos may mga comments, Sachi is beautiful. Sachi, sobrang dami mga 2K organic, 2K bots. Nagko-comment, Sachi is beautiful. Flowers. I'm a fan of receiving flowers. They're from friends, from an ex, from whatever. Thank you so much. Thank you, Makan. Will you give me a kiss me if I wear that helmet? Shaddies, no. I'm just kidding. The writer. Kayo. What question is that? No. I'm not saying anything. Hi. Sa Southcott. Gusto ko mag-live na pero short na ako sa oras. Parang hindi na siya kaya ng oras. Right? Come on, you can't kid me. I said, if I wear that helmet, will you give me kiss me gift? But I was just kidding. Oh, you love books, book. Yes, do you want to see? Do you want to see it? Do you want to see the books? I can come get it. Wait. Chun 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 chun. Some. You guys are crazy. Ano po, Fave? Sige, kukunin natin siya. Kayo ay hindi niya ko mahuto. Baka makita. Then tell us about the book. Ito muna siguro kausapin niya. You can't fool me. Hi JC. Hi Mel. Okay. Tangina. Hi John Paul. I'll come get the book. You just wait for me, guys. Right.